And while I'm here, I may as well do a very short Minimaid tutorial, even though my Minimaid is not the production one. So here I have taken the faceplate off my 573. It just comes out with screws, and on the back end, Konami neatly zip-tied all the wires together, and there are a bunch of plugs like this, you know, and like this, and like this, you know, like this, you know, and yeah, like this, that fit. And the way you plug this stuff into the J-Pack is you plug the machine into here, like it always was before you started tampering it, and then you use Konami's wires, and on Konami's end, you put the 13 pin here on the far left, then the 12 pin, then the 11 pin, and then the 5 pin, I believe. And nothing else will fit. Like this will have 13 pins and only fit here, this will have 12 pins and only fit here, and 11 pins and only fit here. And now if you look at mine, you'll notice I've got this like ribbon going to here, and I've got this ribbon, like, right, going to here. And that's because mine was the prototype, and it has the wrong number of pins, and it's slightly wrong. But yours should cleanly plug in. Like, here's the 12 pin, plugged neatly onto the 12 pin, and it's done. That's all a Minimaid is. And then, of course, you got your VGA and your USB, and it goes into your Windows box, and you're done. Beautiful. There is a file. You'll want to do the Force Minimaid option, because if you're using a Minimaid, it's probably intentional. So that's it. Hooray.